It's here! It's here! I'm so excited to do the unboxing today! Let's get it! That's right! Beers of Cheer! 24 different beers that we're gonna drink and review for you. Maybe not review all four of them. Oh, and we're also doing an unboxing of the blockcreate! Nerdy dude stuff. For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is brought to you by Elysian Brewery out of Seattle, Washington. This is called Split Shot Espresso Milk Stout. This is an incredibly dark coffee-flavored, dark chocolate-flavored milk stout that has a little bit of lactose to give it a creamy finish. This has that really, really nice, bitter, dark chocolate taste that I enjoy because I actually prefer dark cacao over regular milk chocolate, and it also has a little bit of that coffee, black coffee bitter flavoring as well. The two combined together with the lactose give it a nice, smooth finish. 6% alcohol by volume, and probably about an 8.7 out of 10. Cheers to you guys. Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about cryptocurrency and plug-and-play at-home mining. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, liking this video, and turning on that bell. With all that being said, let's roll that beautiful bean footage. All right, so you guys saw a couple things in there. We've got the sticker, we've got a remote control, we've got the actual block itself right here. We've got the wire that comes out of it. It's weird it didn't come with a little like cube to plug into your wall, so we just kind of plugged it into the battery charger at the moment to showcase on video, because we're going to probably plug it in there at the PlayStation. On the bottom, you got an on-off switch, a little blockcreate sticker, and then you could probably, well, let's put this back the regular way. There we go. And then, of course, the remote, you could sit here and you can cycle through and change the colors and stuff like that. And you can kind of see it. I better showcase it on camera a little bit better. There we go. You can just kind of shift through the colors there. And then I just had it set on, what was it, fade, I think it was? Yeah, put it on fade. Now, I want to be very, very, very clear, all right? So this is actually going to be a DApp in a game. The cube itself, holy crap, I'm going to have a seizure. All right, we're going to slow you down. Smooth. All right, baby. Welcome back to the smooth lighting of the blockcreate cube. I'm your host, Nerdy Dude. I don't know. I sound like a hillbilly smooth jazz guy there. Anyway. The cube itself is a physical representation of the actual DApp and the, I want to say, more of a digital mining experience that we are going to be having. And so, with that said, they came with the little scratch-offs here, which will be our physical wallet and our security passphrase, which we're going to need to put into our Algorand wallets, which I'm going to be doing on my mobile here. We don't know exactly which block we have, whether it's on Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, or one of the two mystery ones until we scratch this off. So with that said, we are going to do this while we're actually filming, and we're going to see what we got. So let's go ahead and get this going. Yeah. And once you scratch these off, of course, just like any other security key or private key that you have, you need to store that away for life. Make sure you hide it. You don't share it with anyone, because then they will have access to your data, your wallet, and your information. One thing that really drew me to this platform was, or this little project, A, it's a fun little nightlight, you know, so it's going to be some cool background stuff that I could put, or maybe showcase my beers and stuff here. But B, it is on the Algorand block, the blockchain. So I'm very, very, very happy to always look into projects and support anything on the Algorand blockchain. As you guys know, I'm fairly bullish on that. We participated in the governance program. Right now, I'm just babbling and stalling because I'm scratching off this information and it's taking forever. And so that's also why we were excited to do this project. Obviously, at this point forward, all of my private information is now visible on this side of the card. This side here, not this side. Who cares about the blocks you guys see? So I will not be showing the other side of this card. We are going to do a jump cut because because I've got quite a few words that we are going to put into the Algo official mobile wallet, and I don't think you want to watch that on camera, so I'll be right back. And through the power of editing and movie magic, we are now 20 minutes later. And you could see at the bottom of my screen, we have added our account. We already have 2,800 blocks in here, so we're going to look up the price of blocks as well. And of course, because they're so kind to get you to do the transaction and the fees, they included half an algo in the wallet here. I've already confirmed that the wallet address matches the actual ID. And so we are probably going to be spending some more time jumping on the Block Explorer to see some of the other transactions that are in here and what's going on. So actually, we can probably copy this and send that. No, we can do something else. But we'll just take a look at that later. So we do have a little bit more information we are going to go and be able to provide to you after we spend some time with the device, considering that this is only an unboxing video and not a results video. So let's just jump over to the computer for a few minutes to take a look at a couple of more things so we can all go about our day. All right, so a couple of more things before we finish up the video. Here's what we did. We took our block card to access our wallet. We had our security phrase that we put in on our mobile wallet device. You can use my Algo wallet. You can use the Algorand wallet that we've got the mobile device. You can use Atomic wallet, and you can use Coin.me by the links here. Go to their white paper. We'll, of course, talk about more information as the DApp releases and exactly how we're earning and so on and so forth, and what exactly, which blockchain that we got our block on for the actual game. But I did want to pull up the wallet address that we had to show there's been some activity. So it looks like the project launched about 4 days ago, and we are earning blocks each and every day. You can see right here, 576 blocks we got 4 days ago when we had our purchase and the shipping of our actual block going. So this is kind of like that digital mining experience where this device, this little block itself, I mean, pun intended, this little doodad itself isn't actually a miner. This isn't doing anything other than being a nice light. There isn't any Wi-Fi adaptation or anything to this. Maybe later generations and later as the game progresses and the DApp progresses, there will be. But as of right now, this is just a really cool light, a little cool aesthetic. I kind of look at this as like when you play a game of Dungeons and Dragons, you have a little avatar that represents your character. It's kind of what this is going to be. So if I'm running like a Bitcoin block and that avatar online or on the DApp is red, then we're going to play with this block at red. If it's Ethereum and that's like yellow, we're gonna do it at yellow. Man, I should have my daughters watch my channel. And if it's something else like it's gonna be blue. That's purple, I think. I just have my daughters watch my channel. They might learn something, you know, with their colors and everything. But this doesn't actually do anything in sense of real hardware mining like you've seen with SCP and with Helium, which, by the way, link in the description. You still can enter 9 days left to win this Merry IoT Helium miner. You get 5 chances. Follow the instructions on that link. Little shameless plug there. But it's more of a digital style mining system, not a cloud mining, because cloud mining is like if you put I don't know if you guys remember like the hash flare and the Genesis mining back in the day. It was essentially like I'm going to buy terabytes or, you know, hashing power, and then I'm going to earn and I can compound that crap. No, this was literally just buy this block and now boom, there you go. So we already have about 2,880. If I did the math correctly, you could see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions of blocks right here. This is currently being traded over on TinyMan. We have another transaction here with 1 block, but we're gonna have to take a look and see which one, or this one, or one of these to see which actual block we have on the blockchain. So we'll do more digging on that. But blocks is currently being traded on TinyMan, and I did some quick numbers here. About 180 blocks is worth 1 algo, and 1 algo is currently at $1.36. So 180 blocks, 1 algo, not too bad. If we are earning 576 blocks a day, I mean, I wasn't supposed to be doing this as a results video, but as of right now, we're getting $4.33 a day to have this thing. So I spent $200 to get this, and we've already made $4.33 just by this thing sitting in the mail with our digital mining. How freaking awesome is that? So if we have 2,880, we ordered the thing, it got sent to us in the mail, and now we're already sitting on $21.50 in our Algo account from our little digital mining experience. So that's freaking awesome, right? I'm really excited for this DApp to come out. We've got a lot of people expressing interest on being on a team. We'll go over that in a different video where it's going to be a team game. I'm going to be Team Nerdy Dude Squad, and I'm going to be one of the team leaders, and we're going to be staking our power on our block. We'll go over this in a different game. I know a bunch of you guys are interested in being on that team, so when the DApp actually goes live, and I believe on the white paper, their roadmap states that it's going to be going live on Q1 of 2022. Let me take a look, that's rewards. I think it was on page 9. No, where'd it go? Where'd their white paper go? I think the white paper's at the end, actually. In fact, where's their roadmap? Oh, this was a picture. That's a picture of. I didn't have a QR. I didn't have a QR code on mine, so I had to manually do the words. But that's the action card there. ¿Dónde está el? There it is. All right, so here's our roadmap. So our first blocks were sent beginning on December 15th. We're now, 4 days into transactions, which is awesome. Launching the DApp in Q1 of 2022, and that's when we're actually going to start playing the game. Manage your block and teams for DApps. But once you get yours in the mail, you can just send it over into TinyMan and trade it right away, which is freaking awesome. So. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. Yeah, I probably am going to make a clickbaity title saying, like, make $5 a day or make $4 a day with this $200 miner. So here's the kind of breakdown. I did an unboxing video, and I showed you that we really did make, like, $4.30 a day just by purchasing this thing, which is awesome. I believe you can actually purchase, like, Gen 2 if you go to the links. I didn't show that on screen. But if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter, or Discord. Links for that in the description. Again, don't forget, enter the giveaway for the European 868 megahertz Mary IoT. Link for that is in the description. Really easy, bunch of chances to win one of those. This one will come. This is the one that we're going to be sending out. I'm going to be sending it out with a little signature from Nerdy Dude Stuff from me to you. So it's going to be this exact model right here. We did an unboxing video on that if you want to check it out and see it before you get it in, and none of this waiting until like the end of January, end of February crap. Whoever wins will get this sent immediately. So other than that, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff. I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time.